welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to view your Netflix password. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. You're trying to find your Netflix password and you're logged in, but when you go to your settings, there's nowhere the option to view your password. You can change your password, but there's nowhere you can view your password. For that, you have to go to your Google Chrome browser. Now, open netflix.com on your Google Chrome browser. If you want to view your password now, you can only do that if your password is actually saved on your Google browser. So you tap on sign in. So if your password and your email is saved on your Google browser through your Google account, or if you have an Apple ID that keeps your saved passwords, then if you simply tap on the email or phone number button, it will give you these login options that will autofill both your email or phone number and your password. Now, if it's auto-filled, then your password will also be filled automatically. To view your password, you can simply tap on show that appears at the right side of the password box, and then you can view your password. Another way to view your saved passwords is you can simply go to your settings, and on your settings, look up Google. After that, tap Google System Settings, tap on Manage your Google account, tap on Security. You can scroll down and then you'll see Password Manager. So if you've saved your password on your Google account, then your password will show up here. And if you simply tap on your Netflix app that shows up in this list, you'll have to enter your phone's password, and then you can tap on the eye icon that appears beside your password and you can simply view it. That will allow you to view your password. If you want to copy your password, there's option for that as well. And this is the only way you can view your Netflix password. You cannot view it inside the Netflix app itself. Instead, you can use these means to view your Netflix app account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.